Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Autoland North, we have the 2022 Audi SQ5. However, this SQ5 has something that really changes things. One, a real exhaust, and two, an actual exhaust. So I should say a real exhaust pipes and an actual sports exhaust. So I'm a huge fan of the SQ5, but I've always said it needs more loud. Because what doesn't need more loud? So, obviously, route's going to be a little bit different as it has for the past 2 or 3 videos. Just due to an accident on the on-ramp. Might have a blow-off valve too. Now that I hear that. Twin turbo, V6. These kind of engines are dying now, which is so sad to say. So, it does have pops, burbles, and that is true stock as well. Just the sports exhaust is going to give it just a little bit more volume. And this thing looks so good with actual exhaust pipes coming out the back, not the fake ones in the SQ5 Coupe. One thing I do notice though, the pops and bangs will turn off after a little bit. If you start going nuts with them, you know, just lift, bang, back and throttle lift, back and throttle lift, and you try to get it to do it as much as possible, it will shut them off after a little bit, probably to protect the cats and protect the exhaust system from overheating. But they'll come right back once you cool down a little bit. I've always said the SQ5 is one of my favorite Audis, and that remains true, except for like the R8 and stuff like that. Then, you know, R8's something a little unique. Nothing like good old traffic, huh? Come on. You got it. Wow. Love me an SQ5. These things are phenomenal. I could just drive this thing all day long. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.